Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of the Jungle House. So I know everyone is preparing for the festive period, looking for recipes to make for their Christmas dinner. And I just want you guys to add one more thing to that list, which is my lime mint refreshing drink. It's so delicious, it's so refreshing, it's good for everyone, including the kids. And the exciting thing is that it can actually serve as a detoxing drink. So after you're done eating all those delicious chicken and jollof rice and everything, have this drink and trust me, it's going to clear your system. And that also mentioned is really yummy. So today I'll be making the lime minty drink. It's so easy to make, but if you know me, I like to take my things up a little bit. So I'm not just going to go for like the traditional way of making it. I'm just going to spice it up a little bit, just a little bit. Anyway, so right into it, we're going to start off by making our syrup, and it only takes 4 simple ingredients, which are sugar, water, mint leaves, and lime juice. That is all. That is literally all it takes to make the syrup. And once that's done, we're going to now start making our drink, which is just putting everything into the jar, mixing it and serving. Could it get any easier? Like, so the first thing you need is your pot or your saucepan. Just put in, you don't need to turn it on right now. Our granulated sugar, I'm going to take half cup of that and put it into the saucepan. Don't be scared that it's half cup. It's not too much, trust me. And then after this, we're going to get water. So the ratio is 2 to 1. So if we are using, for example, 1 cup of sugar, you're going to use half cup of water. So I'm going to put that in there. So I squeezed in a half lime juice. So you just get your lime, cut into half, squeeze out the juice and put that in. And lastly, I'm going to put in mint leaves. So just wash them, pat them dry, and just put in the mint leaf. So at this point, you just want to turn on your gas. Make sure it's on a very low heat. You just want it to simmer for 5 minutes, basically until the sugar dissolves. You need to get a spoon, probably a wooden spoon so it's easy to wash, and just turn all that together so the sugar doesn't stick to the pot. Our sugar syrup is done. The sugar has completely dissolved. So what I normally do is I just take 2 stems of the mint leaf that was plucked, turn off the heat and just put it inside. So like we said, we're going to leave this to sit for 30 minutes, let it cool. And I would put a warning sign again. Do not touch hot sugar. Don't even do, let me quickly taste. No, don't. It's super hot. So I'm just going to put this aside, let it cool. So first of all, we want to get some more fresh mint leaf. Pour that into a big jar. And then get like something to just pound it. So we're trying to release in the flavor in the mint. We're going to take some fresh cucumber just for a bit more freshness. I've already removed the seeds, so just pour that in. And my syrup that I've already made before. So one of the good things about this mint syrup is that you can use it for more than just the juice. You can also use it for your breakfast as your syrup. I actually made a video on Instagram. I'm not sure if I'll put it on YouTube, but I made a video on Instagram where I made a French toast and used the syrup as the drizzle for the toast. So we'll pour that in. So the next thing you need to add is your sparkling water. This is a flavored lime and lemon sparkling water. You can get it from any supermarket. So lastly, this is very optional, but like I said at the beginning of this video, I'm going to take mine just a little bit up there. So I'm going to get my cast iron pan. You can use a frying pan or a non-stick pan, whatever pan you have. So what we're going to do is we're going to get slices of lime and we're going to sort of caramelize it to give it a very nutty flavor. So we want to make sure our pan is really hot, and then we're going to get our slices. Oh yes, just look at that. This is the color you are looking for, golden brownish color. Oh, that is so beautiful. So here we have it. You can do this on a grill if you already have a grill going on outside, grilling your chicken and your proteins, or you can do this in the oven as well, but I prefer on the gas cooker. It's quicker, you get a result on time. So at this point, just get a spoon because the sugar syrup goes to the bottom. So you want to stir that evenly. So now, to sum it up, can you see how beautiful the display is looking? So when you have your guests, make sure you have a beautiful display like this so they can know what to do. So right here we have lime juice, sugar and salt, our charred grilled lime and ice. So we're going to start off by getting our glass cup. Just put the mouth into the lime juice, let it coat around well, and take that into the sugar and salt. Coat it. Now your guests will think you're fancy. Do it for the next one. We're going to take 1, 2, 1, 2. Get our grilled lime, put that in, and we're going to get a sieve and just make sure. You can do this right before your guests come. Take it to the top. So now that is done, you can get like some whole cucumbers and put that in. So just cut this into 2, put that in. Get some nice mint leaf for garnishing. How pretty does this look? So there we have it, guys, our amazing drink. Let's have a taste. Oh my dears, I think that says it all, and I have nothing more to say. I cannot explain any further until you try it. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video, and happy holidays. That's so good.